25. When I look back, I don't just see memories, I see the faithfulness of God. Every answered prayer, every closed door, every season of waiting, and every moment He carried me through. This birthday isn't just about turning 25, it's about celebrating the God who has been faithful every step of the way. Hi guys, so we just got to our hotel resort. I'm so tired. I don't know if did I say hi? Yes. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to vlog this whole trip. I'll just get like clips here and there, but we're staying at the Royalton Resort, which is so nice so far. Let me show you guys the room. You come in from here, you have the bathroom, and then this is the room, the sink. You get like and this is the shower. It's so huge. It literally has 2 showers. That's nice. Anyways, that's that. And then you have the jacuzzi, the mirrors. This is me. Here, you also get like a nice rose. And then you go into the room. This is the room. TV, has a fridge, also give you a bottle of water. It's really nice. The room is very big, like I really love it so much. This is my second time in Mexico, and I think I like this room better than the room of the first place I stayed when I came to Mexico. But yeah, I really love it, so stay tuned and let's enjoy our honeymoon. Okay, bye guys. Happy birthday to me! You! Turning 25 made me feel so seen by God. I've always dreamed about being married, going on a honeymoon, waking up to surprises from my husband. Little things I quietly desired, but sometimes wondered if I was too worldly for wanting. And then God gave me those very moments, but in the right context. It felt like He was reminding me, I see the desires you never even said out loud. And it was just so beautiful. Hey! Masterminds. Guys, look at this. I got strawberries, like chocolate covered strawberries. I literally just woke up to the butlers like coming in singing like happy birthday. I was like, oh my gosh, what? But yeah, 25. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Thank you, baby.
Happy birthday. Happy 25th. Happy Silver Jubilee, baby.
Oh, thank you. Hi guys. So we are currently on our honeymoon in Cancun, in Mexico. I haven't been vlogging because I feel like I just want to take these moments, these days in. And also my husband is trying to get me to not work or like do anything work related on this trip. Even though I've tried, but I'm literally just about to post a vlog, my court wedding vlog. But I think I just messed up, right? So I'm actually not doing like as much, thankfully. But yeah, I really just wanted to vlog my birthday because I usually vlog my birthdays and post on my channel. So like a yearly tradition. Anyway, so I don't know what we have planned for today, but I'm just excited. Hopefully it's gonna be chill, nice, very special day. And yeah, it's my first birthday married. Like that's crazy. Oh my gosh, like I'm actually married. My first birthday married, so let's see.
I'm
happy. Yeah, I already vlogged like my husband. This is so much saying my husband. Oh, how that's not my day.
Okay.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh, yeah, oh my gosh, yeah. So actually, I was like, oh, let me stay up.
Midnight.
I said, let me stay up till 12 midnight and then like enter my birthday awake. And then I slept off. But my husband actually stayed up till 12 and he actually woke me up to pray. But I fell asleep. But I could hear some words of the prayer. But what was so sweet was in the morning, like when I actually woke up, I woke up by 4 a.m. and like, I just randomly woke up and I just started praying and reading my Bible. And then when my husband woke up, he had recorded the prayer because he knew that I fell. Did you know I fell asleep? But why did you record it?
You will remember it.
Yeah, he knew that I wasn't going to remember much of it, and it was really, really sweet. I feel like I'm going to listen to that voice note over and over again because said some really. It was a really nice prayer. I don't even know how to explain, but it was really sweet. It was very prophetic, and I'm so glad that I have an amazing man that would do that for me. I really needed to hear those words and that just declaration over my life as I step into this new year. Then I got breakfast in bed. I already showed you guys. And what else? Yeah, we just spent some time watching a movie, watching Mean Girls, and having breakfast together. It was really sweet. So yeah, now I'm about to get ready for my day, brush my teeth, take a shower, and head out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. 25.
Okay, let's get headed.
Okay, bye guys. Hi guys. The birthday girl is ready. So we are going for a massage right now and to play pickleball. This is the outfit. Top is from Zara, skirt is from Zara as well, and my slides are from Outlash.
Yeah, let's go, baby.
Okay, bye. Thank you, baby. Okay, let's get our couples massage. Hi guys, so I just had my spa and it was really nice. Like, it was so relaxing. How was it for you?
It was intense and I really enjoyed it. It was really relaxing. Really relaxing.
Yeah, it was really relaxing. Okay, what's next on the agenda? Pickleball! I'm about to play pickleball for the first time.
I don't know why.
You've never played pickleball?
I don't know why she kept on saying pickleball.
I think people say pickleball.
You did.
I did?
Like, yeah.
Oh, because I've always wanted to play it.
Exactly.
Game on, Sha.
Game on.
Okay, let's play pickleball. What's this?
Ready?
Yeah. Hi guys, just had a good game. I actually really love pickleball. I see what the hype is about. It feels easier than tennis. It's just less effort than tennis and it's more enjoyable to me. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna call it a day because I did not really dress for pickleball, even though this worked, but it's also really hot. So we'll come back tomorrow morning for part 2. So stay tuned. But yeah, I'm having a great birthday. We just learned it today. Yes, it was our first time playing pickleball. I think I said that already. But yeah, it went well. So the gym here.
VIP.
Guys, this is what I'm having mashed potatoes and mushrooms with some Mexican seafood rice and pizza because I'm obsessed with pizza.
Hello, thank you for this meal, thank you for this day, thank you for how it has begun, thank you for you and you went ahead of us. Thank you because you are blessed to see and you have blessed your daughter to see another day, see a whole new year in her life, in 25th year. Lord, we bless you. We thank you. Thank you because you have.
Hola. Yes, we're two. Can I get a Shirley Temple? Two Shirley Temples? Gracias. Oh my god, this lighting is cute. Okay. I've had this pizza almost every day when I come to this buffet because it's really good.
Cause he's what?
VIP.
Oh my god, please. Why did you do this? This is why you said you wanted to come back.
I wasn't in a hurry. Did I look like I was in a hurry?
Oh my gosh.
What kind of mastermind is that?
Oh my gosh, I just heard from slowly. Thank you. This is very Hi guys. Okay, I'm getting ready for dinner and to take a few pictures. My birthday has honestly been amazing. Like, I'm so grateful to God for the friends and family that He blessed me with, and I'm just really excited for this new year. Every year just feels like a different, like there's just something different that God is asking me to focus on, or just to, or like something different that He's showing me, and I'm just, yeah, so it just makes me really excited. I feel like I'm going to do a video diary just documenting, because my YouTube is actually like a video diary for me, just documenting what 24 was like, the things that God spoke to me about, and I just feel like it might be helpful. I just feel it might be helpful for someone else out there, so maybe I'll add it to this video or make it a separate video. But I'm just really feeling grateful. This song I was listening to this morning was Evidence by Naomi Rain, and it's just talking about how my life is evidence of God's faithfulness, and that's just truly how I feel. Like, God has been faithful, God has kept His word time and time again, and it's so beautiful to see, because there's so many days that I felt like, oh God, like, are you actually going to do this? And yeah, just being here feels so surreal. Like, I'm literally celebrating my 25th birthday on my honeymoon. Like, what? Anyways, feeling very grateful is the summary of this. Yeah, let's go for dinner. My dress is from Dynamite. I really love this hair. I wasn't sure about the color combination, but I don't hate it. Like, it's nice, it's cute, it's different. So I'm definitely feeling it. My necklace is from my mama-in-law, my mama-in-love. It says N for Naya. Okay, let's actually go for dinner. Who's she? She's 25? She's 25. Oh, let me get my lip gloss. Thank you for an amazing day.
There's no place around.
Guys, I did this makeup in literally like 10 minutes, so don't judge me if it's not giving. I literally just wanted for pictures, and you're not going to be able to tell from the pictures that is not that. Yeah, I need to. I think my concealer is not my shade anymore. Like, it's more yellowy than my tone. I'm just gonna come out of the lights. Okay, babe, let's do a fit check so we can go. Okay, bye guys. Hi, baby.
We're outside, it's a birthday dinner. We shut down the entire restaurant, associate. Looks like it, and we're gonna make that what it is, physically. How you feeling, baby? It's your 25th birthday.
I feel really good. I've had the best day ever.
Love that, love that. I'm glad I could be part of that.
Cheers to 25. So Pepper reminding me that pina colada is always a good choice. Thank you to my man. Thank you to my man. I love you, baby.
Me too. Happy birthday.
Okay, signing out for the night, guys. Thank you for riding with us. Hi guys, so we just came to watch the game and then I said goodbye. Maybe this actually get that. This is probably the last thing we're doing. Actually, we might go swimming later. Why did you do that? We plan to go swimming or use the hotel.
Just put my head up like this.
Sorry. My hand is not. But yeah.
Shorty, I got it. Alright, tell them the truth.
Okay, so
There is no last.
we're watching. There's no, why did you say there's no last time?
We're just gonna keep on coming back to them saying hi guys.
This is actually the last. We're watching the World Cup.
Kind of.
Not really watching, kind of. But Mexico is playing tonight. We're in Mexico, so we're watching.
See? Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Bye. Bye. For now.
Hey, come on. MJ, give them. Hey. Small. Leg walk, they cry. They cry because of how much.
That was so good.